Let's make easy German bee sting cake. To start, we're going to crack 4 eggs in a large bowl, add powdered sugar, and beat until creamy. Next, add salt, baking powder, and flour, and beat until well combined, smooth and creamy. Carefully grease a 9-inch springform pan with butter and sprinkle with a little bit of flour. Pour the batter into the springform pan and sprinkle the cake with sliced almonds and granulated sugar. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Remove the outer ring of the springform pan and allow the cake to cool completely. Time to make the filling. Add some vanilla pudding mix to a large bowl and pour in some whipped cream. Beat the mixture for several minutes until it becomes thick and creamy. Slice the cooled cake lengthwise in half and remove the top. Now spread the filling on the bottom half of the cake and use a cake leveler or a large knife to smooth the filling. Lastly, put the top back on the cake and you're done. Dig in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com. Cheers!